So I got the best phone call yesterday. A lady called me, and she actually said she had a bone to pick with me, so that was not starting out good. She ordered a whole bunch of grains, some Khorasan and spelt. She got a whole bunch of grain last week. She picked it up for her friends and her, and she came and got it. And while she was here, I told her about the Khorasan flour, and she took some home to try. She took a 5-pound bag to see how it was, and she was kind of hesitant about it, but she did it. And then she took it home, and she called me yesterday to just tell me how the order pickup went with her and her friends. And then she said she had a bone to pick with me. She needed to tell me that that flour that I gave her to try and use was amazing. It was so good, and now she needed more. She says she's worked with flour her whole life. She's never worked with something like that, and it was just amazing. She made flour tortillas with it. She said they were just so soft and pillowy. That was the word she used, pillowy. Just soft and fabulous, that she thought she needed some more flour. So happily, we're trying to figure out how to get her some more flour because she likes to pick it up. She only lives a couple hours away. So we are working on that. And I just wanted you to know that she was so happy. Like, that was the best phone call I've had in a long time. And there's so many people who do kind of the same thing. They buy the Khorasan. They buy it for gluten intolerance purposes. They buy it for all sorts of reasons. They have headaches, or one person had diverticulitis, and it helps them be able to eat grain again, and they just absolutely love it. And they always come back and get more, which I appreciate. And we're just so happy that we can help people eat a healthier grain that is just so good for them. It's to help them and their body be able to digest the grain better. So I just wanted to share that with you and let you know that this is such a good grain, and people keep calling and loving it, and I'm so happy that we can help people.